The first time I ordered these Banyan soaps, I had the lavender in my bathroom and had the bathroom door closed for a little while. I was out and I went back in and I opened the door and it was just like, oh, lavender! Oh my God, those smell so amazing! It fills your senses without being too overwhelming. I'm also really sensitive to strong scents, so I love that when I first got it, it had the beautiful effect, but it was never too overpowering or overwhelming, which is really nice. I'm so in love with both of these soaps. The lavender one, first, both of the soap formulas are really, really gentle on the skin. They're made of all natural ingredients that are very clean and nourishing to the skin. They don't strip away the healthy oils that your skin wants to stay moisturized, but they're really nourishing and they clean. But the lavender specifically just has such a nice calming, nourishing, grounding effect. I like using this one in the evening before I go to bed, or if I'm going to take a bath before bed. It helps me like calm and soothe my mind so that I can have a nice restful night's sleep. The Neem and Aloe soap is extra good for very sensitive skin types. I have very sensitive, more of the pitta constitution type skin. So this soap has been really nice for me to cool and calm and soothe the skin and not be irritating. It's the total opposite of irritating. It soothes any irritation that could be on your skin. Well, neem in general as an Ayurvedic herb is renowned for thousands of years for its positive effects on cooling and purifying the blood, as well as cooling and nourishing and healing the skin. So combined with aloe, aloe is known to soothe and act as a demulcent in the skin, which means that it cools and calms and heals skin that has been irritated. So this combination of neem and aloe is a really great formula for the skin, combined with all of the natural oils. Banyan also has a third soap that I don't have right here, but it's the Cedar Eucalyptus scent, and that soap is amazing. It's a very grounding, earthy scent like the forest, and the eucalyptus is invigorating and enlivening to your senses. I really like that soap as well.